Hi YouTube, this is Nika Elise here, and I'm just going to be showing you how I do my press-on nails and keep them on to have them, on to up to 2 weeks. Right now I'm just showing you the nail polish that I use, which is from Poparrazi from CVS. These are inexpensive polishes, about $2-3. The first color was the Starry Night Party, and then I have the dry and drops from Poparrazi and their quick top coat. And then these are the nails that I'll be using. I use these nails because they are thicker than the 100-pack Kiss nails. The other ones kept breaking on me. These have a thick, they're thicker, so they don't break as quick. I haven't had any problems with them breaking actually, but I really like the decorative Kiss nails because of the sticky tabs that they come with. So Kiss, can y'all sell those sticky tabs by themselves if y'all are watching this video? Because those are the truth. I have not yet found the sticky tabs, to be that good just yet. But I will show you the ones I got off of Amazon in this video. Next, you want to just go ahead and get your sizes to your nails and just lay them out like so. Then you want to take a piece of paper. I'm using an envelope here because it's thicker with the mail inside. And then you just want to take your clear tape and put it on here like I'm putting it on here. All of the actual materials that you'll need is going to be below in the description. But yeah, you just want to stick this down on a piece of paper. Like, I just like to use an envelope because it's with something in it, because it's just thicker. I don't know why. It's less flimsy. Then you want to take each nail and you want to go ahead and press the nails in. Make sure they're stuck on there properly. I've had some pop off before, so just make sure you press it in real good so that it's stuck, and make sure you are putting in space in between each nail, and that's how it should look. And then you want to do the other 5 nails on the other side there. And then this is just, how it'll look after you're done. And once those are done, you want to go ahead and put however many coats you want. And then you don't have to be perfect with this because you want to make sure you get on the sides very well. And so it's going to appear pretty messy, but it's okay because once you peel this off, you'll just file off the excess and it'll look perfect. So don't worry about being fancy or any of that. Just put however many coats you need to put. And because this is cheaper polish, I have to put more than 1 coat on it because you see it's very thin. This is them when I'm done. Now I will tell you, when you start painting them, you may want to put a piece of tape right there in the middle, because that'll help hold it down so it doesn't move as much. I just didn't do it for these set, but I usually do that. Put a piece of tape in the middle to lay it down so it'll stay still while you're painting them. Because if not, they'll move around while you're painting them. So that's why mine was so messy. Then you want to go ahead and start pushing down your cuticle, preparing your nail to put on the sticky tabs. And I took the filer that comes inside of the box, and I used the lighter blue side. It's a little bit lighter of a file. The darker side is a little bit more if you want to file even more. Then these are the sticky tabs that I got off of Amazon. I personally don't really like these. They're not as good as, like I said, the sticky tabs that comes with the Kiss, but this is what I use when I want to do my own nails. But I will be on the search for some better sticky tabs. But yeah, you want to go ahead and place it on and just follow the guidelines to the smallest to the largest. And press it in really good, like so. Then you want to go ahead and take your dry nail once they've dried. And you want to go in with your file and just file off the excess polish that dried on the side. Just go all around the nail and just file that down like so to get that nice and smooth. And you pull off that sticky tab, and then you want to go in with your Krazy glue. Put a nice amount on the top of that sticky tab. And then you just take your nail and you're just going to press that in like you would do normally. This is giving it 2 layers of hold, so that sticky tab as well as the super glue is what's gonna help it stay on a lot longer. And I wash my hands a lot, y'all, so this is for somebody who keeps their hands in water too. So, but like I said, the Kiss ones are the best. You would have better results with the Kiss ones. And then this is the end result, just like that. I really hope that this was helpful to you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.